Ndammeche TF1 nyina ewe wiase. De no mo Ghana, de no mo ni Ghana. Mi chief na azale na ekasa no. Nde mi pese mi ka sumsum ahindasem. Adi ama amai eni Ghana nyina de no mo frɛ tumi ye adwuma adi ama amanfo. Mbami chief na azali ho ahoto be ya odie me pese year we de na end we no 2019 de na end no na ebe ko afishapa ade ama ye Christians for me chia Christians for nyina afishapa afise ekosi 2020 na Ghana nyina da nesikafo na Ghana nyina ye nyina kita sika bade na ebe ma ye kita sika nyina ye ndo ye hu mi ndo mi hu ti se na mbe do obi na obi so ndo ni hu ti se na obe do mi Eradi wambo ye nyina ewe wiaso we se ye mba bebre ye nipa ye ma ye bre watu anamo ade aba menchen Ababa si 2020, middle of 2020 we de ebe wurom no. Me kan kire sire beba we ni. Wo be sire. Me pese me ka asemba kwa dia matiefo. Me brothers and my sisters do no mu abrochire no. Me pese o mu nyina mbara fie. Sika wo Ghana. Ai. Me yobi juma of free German. Oba eme ye na djuma wie na okanje tin nana German ye wo witch camp am say I never know witch camp no mo si German no omo wo witch camp wa we witch na wa ba ho ombe identify we say we witch tise ombra be tro odin e tro bibia because one tro odin na asem bia si ho ombe ba ba chiu na am si German tia na me si brofo so omo wo witch na say I brofo so wo shi na I Debe tell no brofo no wa witch because omo so wa to me no so omo mfa ndia bro mo fa ye adwuma pa o hwe mi ne wo nyina nde o hwe plane na etu suru no o hwe card na wo twi o hwe mobile phone na wo kita no woni ade na kita phone no da bi woni debe na kita plane no da bi na nyina ye to me no Brofo no baba discover say to me e ade de na ye adwuma but brofo no nyansa de na radi ade afama brofo no omo nyansa akwechiri ejaye nipa de na black ba woni de na ntia na make am ye na nan kanso ene ye na namfo hono ma baba nya to me no bande omo wagidie ade ama to me no na to me no ye adwuma ade ama Ai. On for 2 minutes adi ayadi boni. Obeko them 1 year, 2 years. Ehwe 2 minutes na mi kitano. Debe na mbetima ye na dachi. Ebi mi ni ho ewe wiase. Na nipa kai se nipa we atima ye baby adi ama wiase. Obehwe on documentary no mo frɛ nipa we wa space wa yesi nipa no oni ewiase bio but omo da so kana asem nipa do no mu go school omo no mu si legacy ana legacy wa ja legacy ni ye debe wa ja adipa adi ama ewiase fo na ewiase fo ntimi riefinu da yes brofo no omo pesa bia ne nkyɛnse yemfa ya de boni Bande wo abrochire wo pesika wo auntie ana wo papa ana wo grandfather sorry e Ghana up to abrochire akoko sai we adwuma akoko kunwa e we abrochire David don him say obetima to nde akoko duru abrochire wo be kon 145 ade akọ fa wo kora no 5 ade akọ ho because wo be to akọ akoko kun obi for ukora no 5 ade akwa na 20 ade akwa agya mo na waba but on me but the body don obey no obeto ha akọ abrochiri me the whole no be a friend me midnight 12 o'clock nana me ntimi nda ewa abrochiri me won no way me ye drug me deal drugs na me see dem na drugs no see oye cocaine business or sika but fie nu ontimi mboa fie nu na me see dem enter na ontimi mboa ne fie fo no me see oda hotam bia odwen ana anadu bia odwen se no obi e won fie omo han anadu o sorry anapa ni honam nyina ye ne ya na me see obi anu kro no see ai any how be frame e chena napa me hwa awie na ye ono ankasa ni maami na se wo maami ne ha wo no no se na me ntiase na se ai wo ntiase e pese wo nda nde wo da awie be chere wa die de no beye wa da wi na wa bie wa ne na nhwe me chere na die na wi na nipa na ye wa ya awie ada obi ni na ni mami gina ho na obi sa ni mami sen na wo ye ya ba ho na me hwene na me sere na me se ai kwenda na wo mami fa ya ba be duru ho no wontimi hu because e sumsum na ma kan jam se ai se wo mami ada na victim e wo life so debe no pese me ye wo mami no se kumi mami na me ohuto mami na me se dabi me ko mami wa mu mami ankasa no se ai ma hu mi mami wo hye nyama bia o tina se na erade bon se na erade fa no be wi ase na ma bibia sai kam da na me transact business na business ni ko kama ba se business en ko bio na se ai yo mami juman ba ye nkunu ye be jan because they went here the love you have for your mother don't kill your mother jano that's where we are say but jano mami nim say then no ya no wa bro ho ene na ma say ye ka say ya dia mani pa bia wo sorry if your mother and your father give birth to you you have to give birth to yourself but hunam raise yourself in a spiritual way build yourself in a spiritual rank now to nya wo die now say bi nana debe number say na me mama akọ na say ai ko bon mama 9 so ne left 9 so na nkan chance on call baby no free buy because on time ko bio oboni mama 9 na mama ko ye ana pa no friend me say ni mama akọ debe number tima ya abo na say ai me betima ya abo mama betima ya abo na o mama ntimi ya bibia bio me betima abo na o mama ntimi ya bibia bio no si nana buame nam si ai tam da na otu anamon akono ana de da na uba Ghana aba wo ma me nchai wo ma me ahu se wo asisa wo anye sika so se wo anye sika no the bent here because wo ma me wa belong to a group of witches when a witch no see there be which omo ye nipa de no mo wo group no mo donate omo nkora ade ama nipa when that time reach when it is time for them for to do the rituals they donate their children for that rituals for them to be uplifted in the spiritual rank nipa moja and you very sharp ade ama ade bia wo beye nipa moja mo si nipa tumi eku nipa eyese eya nukure but who be kunipa you can't put knife on the human neck unless in the spiritual way but if you kill a human being today tomorrow which one will you kill one na obe kumontimi ku obi wa ku obi nde na o ma ti nipa no wo so wo die da so do ho nipa no wo ya wie no wo da so no man ka ba wo die no even 200 years wo be wo 500 years wo be wo ya debe na obe ka dia ba urade da bi nam si I'm bebua o mi start ya mamra dia ma nipa no nyina ma bɔ ne ho ba ma sɛna dia ma gie kyɛ ma ye de bɛ o kan kyɛ sɛ nana and then my jatum said to me, and that's the way we are saying, I to me that's the way we are saying. Wako share and okran and they juma at the amount. Nancy, why natural say one friend chief Nazale? No, say me down for me now, friend, oh yeah, juma at the amount I was Sweden. On no for number at the amami. Satan no misu da ye na mi mama tina misu no bia so mi nine obi so mi kuma obi so mi debe na mi si jami frɛ anytime na mi frɛ Satan 2 o'clock I go see 3 o'clock na wanda na mi si ai yenda ye hwe wiase na na kɔ so ye wiase wa ho wiase ye kasia no nipa na ye hwe wiase na wiase no wɔ hɔ no de wiase obi abɛkɔ kɔda the we are see you sorry, we are turning upside down. So one will say, Adia chick now are sorry. Obi never we are soon now what my sorry. The Obia for that to say I will die, you know. Now you get up and we are in a different world, not on earth again. Yes. And the credit so over me chief Nazareho. What for number now friend? Mema wajia tumse anukure ho anukure eye baako na mi fa dia mani pa bia wo pesika frimi ntia me beka nkyere wo sika me betima bo na wanye sika but sika we have it in 2 ways, we have it in 3 ways. Me betima fa sika ma wo say no mo fra sika me be bra be koto bia wo 2 minute nkyere Kwami waba me nkyɛn ɔse wɔ pesika me ni machine ɛwɔ me fie sɛn na wobɛtima aboa me na ma aboa Kwami wɔ gidie ma me ansa na ɔfiri aborokyire aba ana Kwami wɔ gidie ma me ansa na ɔfiri Kumasi Accra Takoradi ayimfa aba me nkyɛn ɔwɔ gidie ma me ansa na ɔbaeɛ sɛn na mbɛtima aboa Kwami amamre si na ɔbɛyɛ na Kwami ahotɔ no dane Kwami die na maye amamre no beka che Kwami ye ya amamre se na ya amamre no na ahoto enda ni Kwami die ahoto ada ni Kwami die awe beka che Kwami wo pese won fa osika nko fa sika no nko fie wo pese won bo sika no huban na wa bo sika no huban de be na ye bo sika no huban you have to fortify the money in the spiritual realm. Whatever you use the money into and it will flourish. Whatever business you invest the money into, it will become successful. Yanko school, but fie nyansa, esunchen, school nyansa. Almost see fie nyansa, nipa bibiri nyansa ni eba aba be money panchen. School nyansa, obi na be kire say na wafa. But fie nyansa esun, nchen school nyansa. But waba me chief na azali ho. Bebo me pese ni pa de no mu approach no mu bra fie bra me chief Nazare wona me ma hoton ya wodie approach mu dosu o mu bre awo approach o be ho Ghana fo no mu approach no mu da street su bra na me use ma wonda mansion bra na me ma wontina fie kase bra na me ma sire embra weni me dan fo afremi e wo Denmark nana black man aba omachi sa black no e Ghanaian omachi maye no ma jan mama na aba ni fie sisi oni business mi na mi introduce ni egu business so sisi a business ni ejuma di amam nde wa kokko ye problem oma bisa ni say only one or you know say meaning na ye ejuma mi na mi bo anu no kan say meaning na ye ejuma sa ejuma no ma chi so up to na say ai Ufan anokradi amani parbani pon wa fan anokradi amao. Today he's in a problem or person on involved. No more deporting one in aba. Nam see there won't bar few better so ho. Nipa no beba few better so ho. Nam see wajidie adi ama to me den make kita. Majidie adi ama nkube mno paza bronzo babdo ya. Nkube. Dewe na miyo. No be fa adiboni adi amami e ko kopina adipade na mebo na mi si kanchere ni sa 2 days lawyer ni kanyo so mun yin no mo investigate case no o ma yin o ma trace ni sa no oni case oni adi no su no friend can say nana my job to say anukura wona say I anukura dey so o ma ja no say I me bisa say o ma ja no say I me bisa say o ma ja no say I nam say ye danya mi ase e kokko pere 2 million na nyina kita obi free London ade aba me nchen say me ye adwuma man o say oduru airport nu o fa ni bag e hye ni at the end of the day ni passport any ni bibia nyina any hobio no obi family number the man say on frame no buy na me see de be na see no kan je say wa land airport awie abrafia ba be cheni mami any ni busiafo nyina wa fa ni sade a hye ni bag no ni passport any ni bibia ni ho na me see entro e be ba Nansi o GDA no si an o GDA. Nansi mi boni pani ti ama o beja tum se nipa no si an beja tum nana. Nansi o auntie. Nansi woni mo auntie no si debe. U papa sai ko u papa de no di u papa chika go kan jere se. Wa ba no be de u da su nim se o ho. U be ba ba chia no enye se wa ri fini da. U be ba ba chia no. To se ko chia no en kan je se de wa ba ba chia no se wa fra bo chiraba. Who person ba be chia no say okoko chia no si wa ban wari efimi wa ye gagai no so am say I o kan jo say na wa nya we try na wa for wa no afo en nhwe wa fa dia man wa ye be no kan nya say I wo be hu wa ye very lucky the one ba me chen aba be sremi the wo be hu ascend the be koso okofie wan fa dia ni hye ba bobo yi ni nyema de no be fa dia chia man for no full passport never under. Nam say I. Why just to say to me or not say nana ma just to say to me or nam say I. Ye kitwan. No can you say nana. Mi donya mi tu akwa abrocheri be mi samba gana be no say wo beba. De ben say na umba wo da so wo ma me da so wo de ben say na umba wo beba. Bra. De ben say na wo beba no bra beba on hu bai. Next wo beba no auntie anim say no. Nipa de na mini nu onye sa nipa bi wa asesa debe ma wa asesa no fortify yourself in the spiritual rank, build yourself in the spiritual rank, protect yourself in the spiritual rank. When they say build yourself in the spiritual rank, build wall against yourself. Now one kasa otumi entimi ko enim ndem me pese me nkyere amanfo say tumi da so we ase pese nipa de no mo abrochire nyina promise and fail omu pesika omu ye debe omu anata bre pese me nkyere omu sende waba me chief na azale ho be ma wa da ne sikani be ma wa asere be ma wa abusiafo me bra bi na me share no we kan nana wo sika wo respect na me se dem entia no si tam do no ni sika no ono akasa no huru nema batam do onye sika no obe fa ni nema ba no ni sister chora ba o be meja huru be de me no ka ni na sika ye de o na me ai sika ye de de we tena sika ye de irada nkasa pija sika o say if sika wo China ana if nyasa wo China ko pe China na mbra de be na echo wo pe nyasa no ana wo pe ejuma na ba Ghana, they may not pay sika. Now say and there the family are more respecting because one year sika. The family are more regarding decision don't obey. On be for addition, on no be first person on med consulting because of what sika na say I. Sani university here. Sika e ya de the nipa nyina pe. If you uplift yourself in the spiritual rank, if you protect yourself and get money, you will enjoy life, you will be respected in the society. People will kneel down, people will bow. We juma, we gold juma, we who deal drugs, we the band who deal weapons. From me chief Nazale. Remember adie, then over fa adia shown sa. No wa fa bag no adia koko duru bibia over koko duru no bi antimi bibia. Wo be bo bag no na wa kasa aje bia wo pesa aje ni dani na adani na hoto enye wo die pesa mi chira man fo se wa ba mi chief na za na wo pesika wo benye sika wo pe ahoto so wo benya ahoto and then pesa mi fa bag we aje ache man fo ni na de we pesa man fo mo hwe bag we ni na de ben na wo ba wo so pese o mo hwe ni nyina de ben na wo so de ben na wo so ade bia ni so pese o mo nyina hwe de ben na wo so be bia ni so me pese mi kira manfo se eduma de no mo frese sika e da so we ase to me de no mo frese sika wonni bi wo bi wo se wo bi dem pese mi kira manfo ene no kure de ne wo ho alzenema e bia wona pole e bia wona lo e bia no don se e bia bo ne e bia la jinu nyuhye e bia pour de cherzo e bia bambo ezo bia ti kumo apuni mbona ezo na pop kan e kanta bono de kan de slamro pa o tira bamro pa ya be gangu so gangu pa gangu ne bia gangu yaba ndazan ti mata makabal na fa bamro pa chanda fa bamro pa chanda da ma ya ne ya kan bona fa ni sanin bai kace ka so pya ya min sanin da ka yo nan ka tata man fa material gogo muro pala bolga o kiti onan dia su ka bi shi muro pa kubia suno kubia bu pa ni kubia inda kubia na muro pa kan ya bende muro pa tinya pese min chira man fo de we no mu yes kan ene fel dollar no ya dollar da mino nyina be sisa da ne sikani bese man fo mo hwe sikanu mpesa mafo mo hwe sikanu brana mi chief na azali fa namba ne was screen no su ne frame na me ma hoto me kanjira o se waba singa mpa e bona e be kire en na ma ade ne da sigina o be ma wa hwe wo ba mbe fa attest me hu ade afa ade ama ade ne agina e kire se de na o pe wo mi nche na be ya odie e be yi ama enjina so mbe kanyo se mi ntimi ge eni ne ha amanfo e we wiase no ade no ntimi ye obeka nso obetima ye don nim se o kanjo se mi ntimi ye anokura beda so wo obeka nso obetima ye ade end of the one nyina e bre uba mi chief na zelo ntimi ye obeka nso ntimi ye betima ye obeka nso betima ye ene na ifre we debe nyi esika no dollar no mi pese on free abroche na bra na me ngwa na wonye sika we ni nyina sika no mi pese me hu bra we ni nyina sika no when nyina sika no ni nyina ye sika wa ba me ncha when nyina ye sika no sika ni bra na me ma hoto ye when nyina me pese me nyina when nyina sika no wa ba mema wa somwe na ma fa we ade a kire amanfo deti mamro pa fa ntema ene na ebe kire adukro na no hiye ni nyina ebe ye edwuma ebe yigina en ye edwuma so ebe kire ni sanati anukro wo ho tumi wo ho. The road to success is not easy, but if you succeed in it, laughter and enjoyment, it will become yours. If you suffer and succeed, if you travel and come with a right mango, it's better than to come back with a mango which is not ripe. Ubami chief na azaleho ahuto beye udie. Ubami chief na azaleho fa number ne was screen nusu 0540 22222 442. Fa number ne phone. Make sure kwenda na umefa na ahuto ya udie. Nenjina su. Amanfo kanja me see pastors be braba pastors ma bo pastors be brave no matter this ma bo pastors be o tumi su me kanda wo ya pastor na wa ja tum se wo kita tumi me be fa boten bani adi amawo any 1 billion ana 20 billion adi amawo cash what ma be adi we na wo that's we are see within that period of time be kanja say tumi ni ho fasikano na mfa ko fie. Pastors bebre o mu frese challenge ona jeme challenge ma tupa bebre obi antimi challenge me wosi wet ma challenge me ya tumi bekre na mbefa dia ba onche tumi ba ku na mbefa dia ba botengbani na mbefa ba o mu fre botengbani na e tumi de na kita asase nyina wo kita wo sase na o mu si wa ba obi dua mbefa wo na sai dua nyina o ma ye we mbefa wo ya dia sai we bia we a pastor na wo jitum se wo tumi be fa dia we aba what ma be lead nu nkasa na wa da so gina 5 minutes I will surrender to you. Mebe church no agya me bibia ba won chen. Ba mama woni 5 me woda so we bia so we. Ade dem kita na nya no kure. Brabi chief Nazare wo fa number no. Na me 45 o. Na me peja wo sumsum so. Erwade ebonipa ni no sumsum. I will uplift your spirit and grant you another spirit. And you become somebody. Almost nipa where nipa boni, they went tell no boni no. Because he's been protected, because they have tried him. Oma ye juma bebre, oma succeed no. So meka so nipa boni. We see nipa way or nipa boni, they went tell no nipa boni because he has tried several times, he has not succeeded the person. Surely then the person has become as nipa boni. If you try somebody you don't succeed the person, you say that the person is a bad man. What makes him bad? Because you have tried, you didn't succeed. I want you for people to try you and they will not succeed. So that they will call you Nipa Boni for. I say you are Nipa Boni for. They will never Nipa Boni for because Oma ye Nipa Nipa does we be asking. Oma Nipa does we be asking. Oma ye Juma Nina. Oma ye Ajuma Nipa no dem. Oma ye Juma de Abu Bibia but Nipa does we be asking we. So Omega say Nipa no Nipa Boni. Remember what done Nipa Boni. Now we be asking we. They will say that the madman is becoming a man so that you live in this world. But if the madman is not a madman, because of the food he's eating, they would have cleared him off. But they know that the food he's eating is not the right way, it's not a good food. And your food is the papa. Misha Bodamni, now we say, they won't turn away about them because I will look at you in a spiritual way, you are not a madman. He said, brother, yes, if I don't become a madman, they'll kill me and my time will not be up. I said, that's why you are mad. I said, then you are stupid. You have to be successful to your life, yes. How will you become successful? Protect yourself. Fortify yourself. But if you say because of they will kill you, you want to become a madman. You see madmen plenty on the street. They are not mad. How of them are not mad? They are fully mental. They are fully, they have energy, they have strength, they have mind. You see, but them you know cardi pa. No one gets what you will say. They won't tell no God this assassin no. You go and be wondering, why is it this person speaking this? Is it a madman or is not a madman? He's not a madman. It's human being who is making him mad because he knows how the world is. He has to make himself mad so that he will live long. There are people in this world, them becoming poor is the reason that they are still living this earth. God is a wonderful God. Yes. Wa fa obia di ade ama nipa no say na nipa no bewe owiase we nipa we his poor sweet him to be alive. This man his riches sweet him to be alive. Omi betima ba me chenana mananta bre ma ye duma bre collapse ma ye de be me collapse na say ai it is the wonderful of God. If God make you rich 1 month you die, or you rich 1 year you die. You say sir nana I say ai sir. God shaped every human being based on his lifetime. If you want to become rich today, your lifespan will be short. That's why God made you to be poor. There are some people who will become rich. They will fight him in a spiritual way, in everything, but they won't succeed because God has protection. He too, God has protected him in a spiritual way. That is why he's still alive. Or he has protected himself in a spiritual life. That is why he's still alive. I want to tell people that when you come to Nazareth, you become rich. Those people in abroad who want $, who want pounds, who want naira, who want everything. I have 2 things. If you join my brotherhood, you become rich. I have spirit that will give you money. This is my ring that I'm wearing. I won't tell you the secret of this ring, but this ring, if I tell you the items, just one item that you bring to get this ring, and nothing can happen to you, you will never understand it. If I do this ring to you, you become rich, you become protected. Even your mother who gave birth to you, any woman who gave birth to you, or whoever on this earth can never do anything if you have this ring. If I do this ring for you, you are blessed on earth.